Hi viewers, welcome to our innovation channel. நம்மளோட சேனல் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கீழே இருக்கிற பெல் ஐகானையும் பிரஸ் பண்ணுங்க. எங்களோட வீடியோஸ் உங்களுக்கு இமிடியேட்டா கிடைக்கும். வாங்க இப்போ நம்ம வீடியோக்குள்ளார போலாம். Hi students, today we are going to learn organ system book back questions. Shall we see? See, this is evaluation. Choose the correct answer. What is the length of the alimentary canal? 6 to 5 meter. Which organ is involved in respiration? Lungs. How many kidneys do we have? 2. Functional unit of brain is neuron. Blood is pumped by heart. Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. A group of organs together make an organ system. The process by which body removes waste is called excretory system. The number of chambers in human heart is 4. The functional unit of kidney is nephrons. The human nervous system is divided into 2 parts. Say true or false. In human respiratory system, length of trachea is 8 to 10 cm. False. The circulatory system is made up of heart, blood and blood vessels. True. Important function of the heart is transport blood with nutrients, oxygen, waste and hormones. True. The brain is protected by the rib cage. False. The functional unit of kidney is neuron. False. Circle the odd one. Mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, lungs. Lungs. Nostrils, nasal cavity, pharynx, stomach. Stomach. Mouth, esophagus, stomach, kidney. Kidney. Taste, hear, think, smell. Think. Cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata, nephron. Nephron. Match the following. Digestive system, alimentary canal. Respiratory system, lungs. Circulatory system, heart. Excretory system, kidney. Nervous system, brain. Answer briefly. Name the salivary glands in our mouth. The answer for the first one is the 3 pairs of salivary glands, paroidid, sublingual and submandibular gland. So this is the answer for this up to here. What is respiration? The second question. The answer for the second one is, from here you have to mark, the respiratory system provides oxygen to the tissues of the body and removes carbon dioxide from the tissue. So this is the major work of respiration. This is respiration. The respiration means it provides oxygen to the tissues of the body and removes the carbon dioxide from the tissues. If you want, you can write this also. There are 3 major parts forming the respiratory system: airway, lungs, muscles of respiration. Okay. Third one is, what is the function of pericardial fluid? The third one, the space between the membranes is filled with pericardial fluid. The pericardial fluid protects the heart from shock. So this is the third answer from here to here. Name the chambers in human heart. The heart is divided into 4 chambers. 2 upper chambers are called atria or auricles, that is singular atrium. 2 lower chambers are called ventricle. So from here to here 2 lines. Fifth one, arrange the excretory system in correct sequence. So here they had given, you have to arrange them. First one is kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. What are the two parts of peripheral nervous system? See here, somatic nervous system, autonomous nervous system. So these are the two parts of peripheral nervous system. You can even write from here. Peripheral nervous system consists of nerves extending from spinal cord to all the parts of the body. It is made up of two parts, somatic nervous system, autonomous nervous system. What are the functions of blood? See, you have to write this whole para. Blood transports nutrients, oxygen, waste and hormones. The volume of blood in human adult is 4.5 liter. It regulates water level and the body temperature. Blood is pumped throughout the body by the heart. It takes oxygen to tissues and cells, finally reaches the lungs to take oxygen again. Okay students, organ system one word answers completed, book back answers completed. If you like this video, like, comment and share the video. Subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.